Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video, we explore the how watering indoor plants. So let's get started. Indoor plants need the right amount of water to stay healthy and grow. Here are the most important things to know about how water indoor plants well. Number 1. Know how much water plant needs. Different plants need different amount of water. Do some research to find out how much water each of your home plants needs. Some plants do best in soil that stay well all the time, while others do better when the soil dries out between watering. If you know what these animals like, you can give them the right amount of water. Check how wet the soil is. Before you water, check how wet the soil is. Put your finger into the dirt about an inch deep. It needs water if it feels dry. If it feels wet, don't water it yet. Overwatering can cause root rot and other problems. So it's important to let the soil dry out little between watering. Number 3. What, water the plant well. When you water, make sure the whole root ball gets wet. Water until you see water flowing out of the holes at bottom of the pot. This helps get rid of any salt or minerals that have built in the dirt. Number 4. Use the right way to water. Don't water from above or splash water on the leaves because this can cause fungus disease to spread. Instead, water the bed right around the plant base. For more accurate watering, you can use a watering can with a narrow spot or a drip irrigation system. Number 5. Think about the pot and the surroundings. The type of pot and the weather can affect how often you need to water. Plants in terracotta or clay pots tend to dry out faster than plants in plastic or ceramic pots. Plants in bright sunny spots may need be watered more often than those in places with less light. Number 6. Watch how your plants react. Pay attention to how your plants react when you water them. Overwatering can be seen in leaves that are wilting or turning yellow, or in that stay wet all the time. Leaves that are dry and dropping or dirt that is too dry can be sign of underwatering. Remember that finding the right mix is the key to watering indoor plants. Consistency is important, but it's just an important change how you water based on what each plant needs. Thank you for watching.